Healthy habit number 1 of 16 is to consume half your body weight in ounces of clean drinking water every single day. Water is essential for life and plays a critical role in numerous physiological functions throughout the body. Here are the top 10 most important physiological functions requiring water and why they matter. The second physiological function that requires water is cellular function and metabolism. Water is indispensable for cellular functions and metabolism as it provides the medium for chemical reactions, structural integrity, and molecular transport within and between cells. Every physiological process relies on water at the cellular level, making it fundamental to life. Dehydration or insufficient water intake disrupts cellular homeostasis, which can cascade into widespread dysfunction across the body. Understanding how water supports these essential processes reveals its profound role in maintaining health and vitality. Cells are biochemical factories where numerous reactions occur every second, and water is the solvent in which these reactions take place. Known as the universal solvent, water dissolves solutes such as electrolytes, glucose, and amino acids, enabling them to interact and react efficiently. For example, glycolysis, which is the first step in energy production from glucose, occurs at the aqueous cytoplasm of cells. Without water, metabolic pathways would stall, leading to energy deficit and impaired cellular function. Water also plays a critical role in transporting molecules within cells across cellular membranes. Nutrients like glucose and oxygen, which are necessary for energy production, are dissolved in water and carried into cells via passive or active transport mechanisms. Similarly, waste products such as carbon dioxide and urea are expelled from cells into the extracellular fluid and blood for elimination. Proper hydration ensures this dynamic exchange continues seamlessly, maintaining cellular health and metabolic efficiency. Additionally, cellular metabolism, particularly the production of adenosine triphosphate or ATP, depends heavily on water. In the mitochondria, water is both a participant and a product of oxidative phosphorylation, which is the primary pathway for ATP synthesis. It facilitates the movement of protons across the mitochondrial membrane, creating the electrochemical gradient necessary for ATP generation. A lack of water disrupts this gradient, reducing energy availability and impairing processes like muscle contraction, neurotransmission, and tissue repair. Water is also critical for maintaining cellular volume and shape, as it exerts osmotic pressure that keeps cells plump and functional. Osmosis, which is the movement of water across semi-permeable membranes, balances intracellular and extracellular fluid concentrations, preventing cells from shrinking or hypertonic conditions, or swelling or hypotonic conditions. Disruptions in water balance can compromise membrane integrity, leading to cell death. For example, in brain cells, dehydration can cause shrinkage, impairing neurological function and increasing susceptibility to damage. Enzymes, which are the proteins that catalyze metabolic reactions, also rely on water for their structure and activity. Many enzymes require hydration to achieve their functional shape or to form enzyme substrate complexes. Additionally, water molecules often participate directly in hydrolysis reactions, breaking down macromolecules like proteins, fats, and carbohydrates into their building blocks. Dehydration reduces enzymatic efficiency, slowing metabolic processes and impairing nutrient utilization and energy production. Water also helps maintain pH balance in cells, which is critical for proper metabolic function. Cellular processes generate acidic and basic byproducts, and water serves as a buffer, diluting and neutralizing these compounds to stabilize pH levels. Additionally, water facilitates the dissociation of ions such as hydrogen and hydroxide, which are central to acid-base balance and numerous metabolic reactions. Dehydration can disrupt pH regulations, leading to conditions like acidosis or alkalosis, which impair cellular metabolism. Lastly, cellular communication, which is essential for coordinating body functions, is yet another function that depends on water for signal transduction. Hormones, neurotransmitters, and other signaling molecules are transported in water based fluids to target their cells. Within cells, water enables the flow of ions to their molecules and activates signal pathways. For example, the influx of calcium ions, which is critical for processes like muscle contraction and synaptic transmission, occurs in an aqueous environment. Proper hydration ensures these signaling systems function effectively, preserving homeostasis and responsiveness. Water is essential to every facet of cellular function and metabolism, from facilitating biochemical reactions and molecular transport to regulating volume, pH, and communication. Its presence ensures that cells can produce energy, synthesize proteins, and eliminate waste products efficiently, maintaining maintaining overall health. Dehydration disrupts these processes, impairing cellular and metabolic activity, which can lead to widespread dysfunction across organ systems. And recognizing water's essential role highlights the importance of adequate hydration for sustaining life at the most fundamental level. The third physiological function that requires water is nutrient and oxygen transportation. That was just a tiny taste of what can be found in my members only section. If you enjoyed it, become a member for only $5 a month to get access to hundreds of member only videos.